Respiration. It is the enzymatic breakdown of food within living cells to release energy for cell metabolism. It involves two stages: external respiration, which is also called breathing or gaseous exchange, or ventilation. It is the intake of oxygen from the atmosphere, that is inspiration, and the sending out of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, that is expiration, through a respiratory surface. 2. Internal respiration, usually called cell or tissue respiration. It is the enzymatic breakdown of food within living cells, with or without oxygen, to release energy. Two types of internal respiration are: A. Aerobic respiration. It is the enzymatic breakdown of food in the presence of oxygen to release a large amount of energy. It occurs in the mitochondria. We see from this reaction that glucose is broken down to release carbon dioxide, water, and a large amount of energy. B. Anaerobic respiration. It is the partial breakdown of food by enzymes in the absence of oxygen to release a small amount of energy. It occurs in the cytoplasm. Anaerobic respiration in plants, fungi, and bacteria is known as fermentation. It produces carbon dioxide and ethanol. Anaerobic respiration in animals produces lactic acid. During vigorous exercise in man, the supply of oxygen may become insufficient for the complete breakdown of food to meet the energy demand of the body. Under such conditions, anaerobic respiration occurs. Lactic acid accumulates in the muscles. This causes muscle fatigue or cramp, and the individual is said to have incurred an oxygen debt. At the end of the exercise, the breathing rate increases in order to repay the oxygen debt. Consequently, lactic acid is completely broken down into carbon dioxide and water. The pain then subsides. Differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. During aerobic respiration, oxygen is used in the complete breakdown of food. No oxygen is used during anaerobic respiration to break down food. A large amount of energy is produced during aerobic respiration. A little amount of energy is produced during anaerobic respiration. During aerobic respiration, food is completely broken down. Food is broken down partially during anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration occurs in the mitochondria of cells. Anaerobic respiration occurs in the cytoplasm of cells. Carbon dioxide and water are the end products during aerobic respiration. Lactic acid in animals and ethanol and carbon dioxide in plants, fungi, and bacteria are the end products. Toxic products are not formed during aerobic respiration. During anaerobic respiration, toxic products are formed. Example: lactic acid, which accumulates in the muscles and causes muscle fatigue. Similarities between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Both processes are enzyme catalyzed. Energy is produced during both processes. Food is broken down during both processes. Differences between internal and external respiration. During internal respiration, energy is liberated from the breakdown of food substances. No energy is liberated during external respiration because no food substances are broken down. Internal respiration takes place in cells and tissues. External respiration takes place between respiratory surface and the atmosphere. Internal respiration is a chemical process. External respiration is a physical process.